What do you say let's do a remake? I did a chicken sandwich, it's been a long time ago, called the Chick Ham and Bacon Sandwich. Inspiration from Jam's Deli over in Greensboro, North Carolina. I had this sandwich, I had to recreate it, and today we're going to do that. So we're going to get started on a few things. So Chick Ham and Bacon Sandwich, you can about figure out what I'm going to do here. First things first, I want to get some bacon down onto the griddle. And actually, I thought my griddle was pre-warmed, but I don't think it is. So let me get this. Let me go over here. Yeah, no, it's not. It was on earlier, but now it's not. A lot of people's been asking about this new griddle. Been enjoying it. Love the electronics on it. Love that it tells me where I'm at with my fuel. I was almost out earlier, so I want to get some bacon down first. Let's roll this bacon out into the package. It comes out a lot easier, and I'm actually not going to move my cameras, so you're just going to have to go with me on my little point of view camera. I'm going to put down 5 pieces. Really only need like 2 pieces per sandwich, and I'm making 1 or 2. We're gonna let that go. The reason why we get that started first is I wanna get that bacon grease because that's what I wanna fry our chicken in. Yes, yes. All right, chicken, just some regular old chicken breast. We're gonna process them, okay? That's some big old chicken breast right there. Chicken breast, how do you want it? If you put that piece of chicken right there on a bun, it would be humongous. So this is how I process a full chicken breast. This right here, the tender, tendy. I like to try to remove it. You can also see there is that's a kind of like a tendon. You can see where the muscles are different. And really, all I do is I just kind of trim that off, okay? Now, you got kind of a piece of chicken, but then you kind of see how this is kind of tall and it kind of tapers down. And I like to just flip that like that. Now, you got a big old piece of chicken. Well, let's fix that. Just take your knife. This is just a regular old, like a fillet, like a boning knife. My buddy Butcher Wizard, he sells these. I love them because they're nice and inexpensive. So there you go. There's a piece of chicken. And if you want to kind of beat it out a little bit, you can. It'll kind of flatten out and makes it really, really nice, especially for a sandwich. Same thing here, tender, lop it off. This piece right here is a little bit smaller. I'll zip it off right there. And we're gonna zip it off right there. There we go, 2 pieces of chicken, voila. Go wash my hands, be right back. Give it just a little bit of thought. I think it could stand a little pounding, okay? I'm gonna take just a baggie, just kind of pound it out, just like that. There we go. That's gonna make a perfect piece of chicken for our bun. Just gonna put a couple of these in here. Cook a lot more evenly as well whenever you kind of pound them out flat. If you're gonna pound out the tenders, there we go. Perfecto. Now I gotta wash my hands again. I wanna move this up a little bit here. And I have a nice little station right here. Little station. I got 2 eggs. 2 eggs that I'm going to put right here. Just like that. A little plant food. A little calcium. Come on. A little calcium. We'll make an egg wash station. A little dredge station. I got all-purpose flour right here. I got eggs here. Over here, panko. You could use whatever you like. I like the panko, okay? Panko's got that little crunch. It's got that nice little, I don't know, it's just got something. I'm gonna add some old Winston-Salem, North Carolina's finest Texas Pete. I'm gonna add a little bit of YouTube's finest right here. Old Hungry Hussey right there. Heifer dust right into our flour. Yeah, buddy. How about in the here too? Why not? All right, give that a mixy. Give this a mixy. Now, my friends, let's bread chicken. How are we gonna do it? Well, I'm glad you asked. I wanna take these really nice ones that we did first, the big pieces right here. Lay them into your flour first. And this right here is kind of like a foundation, some prep work for your chicken to be breaded in something really, really nice. You're basically just getting that moisture off, and you're giving it a great thing to adhere to later on. Got our chicken pieces ready. Now, what do? Well, glad you asked. Go into the egg wash, right into the egg wash. Nice, beautiful egg wash. And we're gonna put it right into our panko. Another inspiration, I had actually forgot about this recipe. A buddy of mine that I go to church with, I mean, he still just says that Chick Ham and Bacon sandwich is one of his absolute favorites. When I see him a lot, he says it a lot. And I told him, you know, I said, man, I'm gonna have to do that again because I liked it too. Whenever I got it at Jam's Deli, if you've ever been to Jam's Deli in Greensboro, let me know. I got it and I thought it was phenomenal. And that's one reason why I wanted to recreate it. I want to go over here and check my bacon. Let's check this bacon. Bacon, giving off a nice amount of fat for us. There we go. Back into the panko. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough panko or not. I might just have to double bread it in some flour, which will be okay too. Done with those. I'm gonna take my dredging station, put those right here. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up and I'll be right back, okay? We're gonna get these started. That bacon is perfect. We actually don't want that to cook no more. Okay, we're just gonna put it right up here. There we go. Got some nice fat. We're gonna fry our chicken in. Our bacon is actually frying some more and I don't really want it to. So we're gonna take that off. We'll put it over here on our cutting board. A little paper towel. So we're gonna shallow fry. And a lot of people don't know that you can do that with a Blackstone. Mine does kind of pitch up a little bit. You can kind of cook up here a little bit more, but I'm gonna go right into the center. I'm gonna take our chickens and we'll put it right there. And these are the ones with just some flour, a little bit of panko. So we got our chicken on here. See how this is kind of pulled up? Perfectly fine. Just take your spatula up under it, and then we put it up against all of our chickens. That way it kind of runs, it'll kind of push down a little bit. All right, let's check on these chicken breasts. And this is that right there. That right there, my friends, is a beauty. That right there is a beauty. These are our floured ones. They look good too, nice and golden, but I like the way the panko does. You know, 2 to 3 minutes. You wanna make sure you check your meat. Meat temperature magnet. This is where I keep mine, right here beside of my Blackstone. Don't put them on your hood, folks. They will melt. All right, these are not heat resistant. And then griddle temperatures kind of tells you where your griddle temps and knob positions, just a general guideline. Perfect, perfect, perfect for everybody that uses a griddle. So we're going poultry, wanna make sure it's 165, y'all. So we're at about 140, almost there, 150 there. I mean, really just get some crust on that other side and we're gonna be in business. This is another little griddle tip, The reason why I put 5 pieces of bacon on, because we'll snacking bacon, okay? While you're cooking, you know, you gotta have a little snack in between things, all right? Snacking bacon. Make it a thing for your next cook. So it's a game changer. Our chicken almost done. We're gonna go ahead and toast our buns up. I generally like butter, but I don't have any butter out here. So we're going just mayonnaise today. These are Martin potato rolls, my favorite. Alrighty, let's see where we're at. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want right there. Chicken's fine. Getting nice and crispy on this other side, and that's good. I'm gonna take and bring all of our chicken up here towards the back. This is what I'm gonna do. I wanna cut this burner over here off actually and let everything just kinda hang out, okay? Because we got just a little thing else that we gotta do. We gotta make the ham, chick ham. I'm gonna take 2 slices of ham, 1 for each sandwich, lay those down. See, which chicken do I want? I want this chicken. I like this one. There we go. The reason why I put the ham down, you could do it just raw, not raw, but you know, sliced. But I thought it needs a little bit of griddle love. And that's exactly what I did on my previous video. Yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get some cheese ready. I got pepper jack and some provolone. I'm gonna flip that piece of ham, bring our chicken. 2 slices of provolone, 1 slice of pepper jack. Bring this here. Ham. Oh shoot, I got 2 slices of pepper jack. Might as well just use 2. I think I shafted myself on the provolone. Let me get another provolone. Another provolone coming right up. There we go. I'll take our little cover. Get that cover. Just like that. The cheese has got to be melted by now. You ready? Are you ready? God, look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Let's take these over to our cutting board. Oh my goodness. Oh, would you look at that? Cheese pull. Dang, boys. That's amazing. That is amazing. Boys and girls, I love a chicken sandwich. And this one It's gonna be good. Mayonnaise, yes, more mayonnaise. Gotta have mayonnaise, it's a state law. I like this one right here with the pepper jack just kind of sitting there. Slice up some tomato. I forgot to get a tomato, had a Roma tomato, put that shreddy lady right there. I'll put these tomatoes right here. Don't forget to season your maters, folks. Don't be a rookie. Don't be a rookie. Oh, pep pep. Oh, man. Would you look at that, y'all? A chick ham and bacon sandwich. Coming right at you. Woo, let's give it a try. Let's give it a cut. Ready? Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Daggone it, boys. Woo, let's give it a try. Ready? Oh, man. Oh, dang. I forgot the bacon. I forgot the bacon. Holy cow. Let's give this another try. Daggone. This could be just like a mind-blowing experience here. That first bite was phenomenal. Dang. Oh, yeah. Dang, boy. There's a lot going on. Crispy chicken. I want to tell you right now, what I love, fried chicken and mayonnaise. It's so good. That bacon, nice, smoky, meaty. Got a thick cut. The ham really cuts through. It's like a, kind of like it's an off the bone ham. Get it from Harris Teeter. There ain't nothing else better. Give us a try. Chick ham, bacon, sandwich. Do it right on your griddle. Do it in your upstairs. You can do it wherever you want. Do it in your camper. I promise, it'll be a game changer. Hey, there might be some behind the scenes bloopers at the end, so check those out. See you. Love you. Oh. Sorry about that. Boy, it's a hot one today, boys. Hot one, hot one, hot one. Tell you what, blackberry lemonade Waterloos. Whew. This thing slap hard. Might get a little noisy right here in a minute. Got some guys getting ready to mow. You've been a good girl. Yeah, there's just some ham. Yes, ma'am. You like ham, don't you? Yes. A little hot sauce. We really need some hot sauce. A little hot sauce. Set it right off. Right, some Texas Pete right there. Maggie. You gotta try this, girl. Zita. Good girl, good Zita. Good girl. Dang, boys, got